Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I hope you have a question in your mind that how you can speak in English like the native. So don't worry, I'm here to tell you how you can speak English like the native. Just think in your mind that you can speak in English. It is just simple. If you think you can speak in English, you just have to be positive about yourself. When you think positive that you can speak in English, so definitely sure, my friend, you will be able to speak in English. But you need to do some quick works, which is really very required. Learning vocabulary. Today I'm going to tell you a one book which is named called Word Power Made Easy. You can buy this book from the market. It is published by the S. Chan publication. It is a red book, kind of a dictionary, but not a dictionary, it is a book. You will find the advanced word in that book, Word Power Made Easy. You will also, when you will buy this book and you will open this book, you will see the word over there, you will see the pronunciation, and you will have a sentence that how to make a sentence by using that word. I also got a word from that book which is a acrimonious. You will have to tell me the meaning of that word in the comment section, that what is the meaning of the acrimonious and where you can use that word. So it is just simple. Learning vocabulary and speak in front of the mirror. This is your practice of this week. I'm going to tell you a week plan. Yes, you do not worry about that. This is your week plan. Buy this book from the market if you really trust me that if I can speak in English confidently, you can also speak in English, because English is a need of today. If you want to get a job in a corporate sector or in MNC, or even you want to go for overseas studies, so English communication is very very important, because English has become a global language. So don't waste your time, start learning English, because English is the most easiest language, my friend. We all know that English is born in the UK, in the England. That is why when you will select the English, so you will find the flag of the England. But forget about that. If you want to get a successful in your life, if you want to get a job in a corporate sector or MNC, or you want to go for overseas studies, so you have to learn English. Other than, you need not to learn English, but if you can speak in English, so it means that you have added one language in your curriculum. So it is also very important when you learn new languages. So I would like to tell you the gray cells in the mind activated. Yes, we have the gray cells in the mind, and when we learn a new language, so it becomes activated. So whenever you will learn a new language, so your gray cells will activate it and you will able to speak in English. You will able to speak, even you want to learn French, German, or any other languages. There are the history in India that people, those who are born in the ancient time, they used to know the many languages. But nowadays, people usually know one, two, or three languages. But as much as languages you will learn, as much as you will grow, because you can communicate with the people of the different country. So you can open a new opportunity for you, even you are a business person or you are doing a job. But in the MNC or in the corporate sector, English is very very important, because it is a communication skill. So do that basic work which I have told you, that buy that book, The Word Power Made Easy, from today itself, and start learning vocabulary and speak in front of the mirror, so that you will learn vocabulary and speak in front of the mirror. Speaking in front of the mirror will improve your confidence, and the book will help you to improve your fluency, and that's all you want. So if you will do this little exercise every day, believe me my friends, you will be able to speak in English confidently like the native speaker. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.